Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to send money to your friend and family on PayPal app in 2023. So for that, let's open our PayPal application and sign in on that. As you can see, I have already been signed in, so I will be getting a home page like this. Send money or request for money. And I will be sending money, right? So I will just tap on send and you will be get a list of contacts. So search for the person you want to send money, just search for his name or email id and make sure that it's completely correct. For example, I will be sending money to this particular person, so I will be going to his profile. And yeah, I would like to let you know that if you're from India and you want to send money through PayPal, it will be going through USD, right? So I want to send him like 1 lakh rupees. So it will take a few seconds to convert. So yeah, this is 1150 US dollar. And if you want to stick any note for why you are giving or something, just tap on it and type it down and click on next. You will be getting two options like for goods and service and for family and friends, right? So I'll be sending for family and friends. I will be clicking on it and tap next. It will take a few seconds for transaction. So as you can see, my transaction has been failed because I have not connected my bank account with PayPal. So if you have connected your bank account with PayPal, then the transaction will be happening. So that's it for today folks. So if you like this video, so make sure that you leave like, comment, share and subscribe for more.